I think this is the first time I've been to a railroad crossing where there was an actual train passing me in the United States. This is the first time in my life in the U.S. when I reached a railroad crossing and there was a train crossing. Yep, first time. I mean, I've been through this in India many times. We have a railroad that passes our Gam village. So we have had to wait for the railroad crossing many times. But this is the first time in the US. It's a pretty long train. Got a lot of cars. How many cars are waiting? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least behind me. I'm 6, 7. The bike guy 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think 15 cars are waiting. About 15 cars are waiting all the way to the front. All right, let's see if we can zoom in to the signal. All right, there we go. It's going up now. All right, it's open now. And here are the cars coming from the other side. Here's the railroad sign. Traffic from the other side that was waiting, and that's it.